Zach at Midwest, and the question of the day is, why are we cutting a hole in the floor? The answer, of course, is that we're not actually digging a new hole. We're opening up the wheel drop pit, which was filled in some 50 years ago by the Chessie system. Here's how we did it.
We started by cutting up the concrete topping slab with a wet saw, followed up by digging out the dirt underneath with heavy equipment and, of course, good old-fashioned picks and shovels. There's a lot to see, though, so let's cue the montage.
Careful, not to go too deep on that.
After the pit was dug out, we needed to shore up the floor and replace the rotten ties. We are now partway through the process of replacing what was a rotted tie down here in the wheel drop pit. We've got our new tie fixed in place. We drilled holes through there, and we've got the rebar now positioned, holding it likely for test fit into the concrete. Our next steps will be to epoxy the rebar into place, and then we'll be able to fit our spacers alongside to make sure that the rail doesn't slide out of gauge from side to side.
after all that trial and tribulation, our new drop pit is ready for service. We're going to use this pit in order to lower wheel sets down from cars and from locomotives, and of course to work on both 4070 and number 2100. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. We get by on donations from folks like you, so anything you can do to help the cause, whether it's becoming a member or making a one-time donation, really, really helps. Thanks everyone. See you next time.
When you bound it. Okay, that's tight.
Just ejected it.
Auto eject. See? It's to torque strike.
Is that?
Yeah. See, when that wrench flies out, then it's like torque.
That's how you know when it's torqued?
Yeah.
Okay.
See? Those
You heard it here.
Those
The wrench
wrenches are genius.
When your stopper wrench flies out, it's torqued.
Yeah, see? It's fine.